Hello, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to go over some basic stitches for your amigurumi. One of the things I love about crochet is that with just a few simple stitches you can create all sorts of different designs. So in today's video I'm going to be going over how to do a single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet stitch. So the first stitch I'm going to show you is a single crochet, also abbreviated as SC. And to start, we're going to insert our hook into the stitch and then bring the yarn over the hook and pull it through, bringing up a loop. And so we have 2 loops on our hook. And then we're going to yarn over the hook again and pull it through both loops. And there we've made 1 single crochet stitch. So going over the steps again, I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, so we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. And that's how you make a single crochet stitch. So the next stitch we're going to do is the half double crochet stitch, abbreviated as HDC. And to start, we're going to bring the yarn over the hook, like so, before we insert it into our stitch. We're going to bring the yarn over the hook again and pull it through, bringing up a loop. And then we'll have 3 loops on our hook. And now we're going to bring the yarn over the hook again and then pull it through all 3 loops. And there we've made 1 half double crochet stitch. So going over the steps again, we're going to yarn over the hook before inserting it into the stitch. Yarn over again and pull up a loop, making 3 loops on our hook. I'm going to yarn over one last time before pulling through all 3 loops on the hook. And that's how you make a half double crochet stitch. So you can see here that the last 3 half double crochet stitches are a little bit taller than the single crochet stitches. So the last stitch I'm going to show you is going to be the double crochet stitch, abbreviated DC, and this will be the tallest stitch that we make today. So to start, we're going to bring the yarn over the hook and insert it into the stitch. Then we're going to yarn over again and pull it through, bringing up a loop. And so we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull the hook only through the first 2 loops on the hook. And we have 2 loops left. And then we're going to yarn over and pull the hook through the last 2 loops. And there we've made 1 double crochet stitch. So going over the steps again, we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, so we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull the hook through the first 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on the hook, yarn over again and pull it through the last 2 loops. And that's how you make a double crochet stitch. So here I have all 3 stitches next to each other so we can compare their heights. Starting with the double crochet in the blue, you can see is the tallest stitch. Then the half double crochet in the red is a little bit shorter, and finally the single crochet in the green is the shortest stitch. I hope you found this helpful in learning some basic crochet stitches, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.